Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about functions in Swift. A function is a set of statements organized together to perform a specific task. A Swift function can be as simple as a simple C function to as complex as an Objective-C language function. It allows us to pass local and global parameter values inside the function call. Let's start Xcode. Choose Get Started with Playground, choose Blank, and type a file name functions. Then create. Let's start by making a function func logo and then print logo, and call this function by calling its name logo, and here is the result. Let's pass input arguments here. Logo type is string, and then we will call like this logo, and let's replace this to logo, and here is the result. And we can also define a default value of this input argument like this. Let's create another function maxval, and the two input arguments num1, num2 type integer, and if num1 is greater than num2 then return num1, else return num2. And for output argument we will use this arrow and the type integer, and then print maxval num1 10 and num2 20, and here is the result 20. And if we change this 10 to 30, then the result is 30. Let's create another function func divide num1 integer, num2 integer, and then output parameter two values integer comma integer. Define a variable val and divide this num1 and num2, and then remainder num1 percent num2, and then return value and remainder. And we will access this function like this: print 3 divided by 2 answer, and remainder is and we will get the values like this. Variable val remainder is equals to divide num3 and num2 2. And here is the result, answer 1 and the remainder is 1. And if we change num1 to 13, then answer 6 and the remainder is 1. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.